So basically, in order to get to the blower motor, which the new one is installed right here, you need to take off this. There's a bolt right here for that. You need to loosen this. There's 1, 2, and then 3, 4 bolts down there, and then loosen this thing with the intake, basically the top half of the intake. Take off that little clip, remove it. It's like a little locking mechanism down there, and all you need to do really is to get this loose, and it'll give you just enough wiggle room. There's four bolts for this guy. It'll give you just enough wiggle room once you move this around to get that out. Pretty easy. Give me a little more here. So basically, to take out the blower motor, which is down in there, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had to loosen up this thing. There's a bolt down here, a bolt right in here, a bolt right here, and a bolt down there. Once I moved the intake box. We didn't have to take all of this out. Basically, to get a little bit of clearance, as long as you have this part moving, it will give you just enough clearance. And down there is the resistor, if you want to change that as well. We did not do that, but it's 2 bolts, I believe. His is in pretty good condition. I checked it out, and yeah, pretty simple job. Should take no more than an hour or so.
Hey there, YouTubers. I just thought I'd mention that it's so much easier to do this project when you have a blower motor with a wheel that's already installed on it. And don't forget to reuse your gasket or buy some sort of custom gasket kit that you can install. In order for me to reuse my original wheel from my blower motor that had broken on my Ford Econoline, I had to make up for this gap using washers, because the bottom of the fan, the little wheel, was scratching against the inside surface of the new blower motor. So I had to put washers in there to make up for the gap, and then kind of seal them down. So if you don't want to do that, it's much simpler. I wish I had done it, to just buy a blower motor with a wheel on it and save yourself a lot of time and headache. Thanks for watching.